Hi, this is Arjun, Senior Technical Artist and Indie Game Developer. Today we are going to look into how to quickly add our meta outfits to the GASP project. At first, we need the GASP project. To get the GASP project, you can open up your Epic Games launcher, go to Fab and search for Game Animation. And this is the project we need to create. Click on this. At first, you might need to add the project to your library. Then you can just click on Create and choose the right location, and project version will be automatically 5.7 and create. You need Unreal Engine 5.7 for this to run. So make sure you have those Unreal Engine installed. After you downloaded the project, you would open the project from that location where you downloaded. And then we would start adding the meta outfits to this project. So to add meta outfits to this project, go to Fab. It would be located in the content browser Fab, and you can access this Fab through browser or Epic Games launcher as well. First, let's search for meta outfits. When you search for meta outfits, there are a lot of collections. Some of them are paid. Although I have released two products for free, which is casual wear men and casual wear women. You can just simply click on this meta outfit, go to the seller page and scroll down to the bottom, and here we go. Here we have the casual wear men and women. You can always search this in the search bar. Now let's add this menswear to this project. Just simply add to the project, wait for it to get downloaded and import it into the content browser. You might need to add this product, which is free, to your own library, and while adding, this needs to be signed in. If it prompts for a sign in, you can sign into your own account and add this to your library. And after that, you can add it to your project. So you might encounter this error while adding this meta outfits. So all you need to do is enable this MetaHuman creator plugin. To enable this, go to Edit, Plugins, search for MetaHuman creator. So this is the plugin. You can just click on here, yes, and then restart now. And after you restart, this plugin will get enabled. Now that we have installed the MetaHuman creator plugin, you can add this to the project right now. So this time when we imported with the plugins enabled, this imported without any errors. After this outfit has been imported, you can just go to the location Fab MetaHuman, or the location if you have changed, if you are importing through Epic Games, to that location. The wardrobe, MetaHuman wardrobe item is all we need right now. So you can just create a MetaHuman character here or in any other folder of your choice. So I'm just going to create here. Just right click, MetaHuman character. Now you can name it as you like. I'm just going to name this MHC underscore. So how to extensively use this meta outfits on your custom character, or maybe a parametric fit, or modifying the body, I have explained it thoroughly in the tutorial, full tutorial video. So right now the scope of the video is just to create a simple character and make a use of it with GASP. So for that we will be using this preset characters. So let's use this Victor preset. You can just double apply preset, click on this apply preset or double click. Now in the hair and clothing, scroll down in the outfit clothing, you can just drag this MetaHuman wardrobe item and place it over here. Remove this one and wear this outfit which we imported right now, and this perfectly fits to the character. So for the purpose of the video, we are going to use MetaOutfit Sci-Fi Thug Male outfit, which is paid. But if you just want to follow along, you can use the prior casual outfit as well. But you're going to use this from here on. So after the step, all you have to do is create full rig and then download texture source. After that, you can assemble the characters. Otherwise, the assemble button won't be shown. And you can just simply select the version you want. Whether it's for game, you can use UE optimized, you can use high, medium, low, or else you can use CE Cine, UE Cine, which is the highest quality of MetaHuman. But I'm going to use UE optimized high. So you can choose the directory as well, game MetaHumans, and this is fine for me, and name of the MetaHuman. So I'm just going to click assemble, and the assembled blueprint will be located in this location. This is shown because the project uses already BP Kellan, which is made for GASP, and this was imported maybe via Quixel bridge, and it could be a different skeleton. You can just freely press OK if you don't want BP Kellan anymore. So after this gets assembled, you can find BP underscore whatever name you have saved, and all we have to do is we need to open these 4 blueprints. So the location of theirs is content blueprints. You can just gm underscore sandbox, which is the game mode, which is actually set in world settings, the game mode and the character. And then we might need the same content widget and game animation widget. Then one more blueprint is the BP Kellan, which we are going to replace with our newly created blueprint. So this is located in content MetaHumans Kellan. This is where our blueprint is located, MHC underscore Arun, and the Kellan blueprint is located underscore Kellan folder. So you can open this up and then open this up as well. So these 4 widgets are open. So first what we need to do is go to gm underscore sandbox, open the classes, visual overrides. In the index 2, there will be BP underscore Kellan, which we are going to replace with Arun. So this gets replaced, and then 2 settings we need to do in MHC underscore Arun, which is the body. We need animation blueprint, which we can take from BP underscore Kellan. Go to body. In the ABP generic retarget, you can just search here, which is located in content blueprints retarget character. This we need to assign it in the body. Click this to assign it, and then in the component tags, under the tags, we need to copy it from the BP Kellan as well. Just click here, Control C, and then Control V. You can compile, save. Now we can just play, and then on this game animation widget, it should work fine. Replace it. We have successfully replaced MHC Arun. But if you play, you get this game animation widget if you step on it, and then you can click on BP Kellan. We get our newly created character. If you want to replace this as well, there is a way. In the game animation widget, scroll down to variables, visual override list, and then in the index 2 of it, we can just replace Kellan to our created MHC Arun. Now compile, save. Now we can close all of these 4 windows. You can see our Arun character is here. Now this should work perfectly fine.